Hi, my name is Renee Brown, and the purpose of this tutorial today is to show you how to use this eyedropper tool up here in Scribus to pull any color that you want from any image or other text that you have so that you can save it to your color palette, label it something that is useful to you, and then use it later. It's a way to show consistency throughout your document. So an example might be that I'm making this newsletter for my classroom. Now every month some things are going to stay the same. This text, the actual text will change, but the layout will stay the same each month. It allows me to not have to start from scratch every time I start this newsletter each month. These branches and this text that's flowing will also stay the same. However, these owls and the color of the owls and the styles will change, as will the month and the color of the month, because I want it to be a little variety. So as you can see, I've already taken this branch right here and I've pulled the color brown. I've saved it to my palette, and then I've changed the text to match the exact color brown so that I don't have to guess at which shade of brown, whether it clashes, whether it goes with it or not. So let me show you how I do that. First, I'm going to come up here. I'm going to click on the item. Move that a little bit. I'm going to undo move. I'm going to click the eyedropper. I'm going to come here and click it. Now I just have to name that color. I'm going to call it something that is useful to me. Now for you it wouldn't be useful, but for me I'm going to call it owl yellow, and it's so that I know that the yellow that I'm using in this owl is the yellow that I'm looking for. So I'm going to say OK. Now I come up here to my text that I want to change, and I left click on it. Now I'm going to right click on it and say Edit Text, left click and hold and cover so that I can highlight the whole text. I'm going to come up here to this and I'm going to find the owl yellow that I have. Now I'm going to come right over here to this check mark where it says Update Text Frame and Exit, which is going to update it and clear off this screen for me. Okay, now I click off it, and now as you'll notice I have the perfect shade of yellow. I don't have to guess. I know that it matches exactly. Now I can take this yellow and I can actually go in and I can lighten it. The amount of capacity or fill. I can adjust this by a lot of different things, but I know now that it matches exactly. I could also change any other text to match any other color, but what I know is that it's always over here. So right now, as you can see, I've been working on owl.blue, owl light pink, owl orange, all the different colors that I can save so that later I can use them. So I hope this helps you to easily grab a color out of an image so you don't have to struggle trying to guess or look up the percentages so that you can create the exact color. I hope this makes it quick and simple for you. Thanks for watching.